If your team wants to attend a top 20 college or university, it's probably a good bet that they've been involved in some fantastic extracurricular activities. That's good, because the top colleges want to see your team involved in great experiences outside of the classroom. But when the rubber meets the road, the top colleges and universities are reviewing 10,000 to 20,000 applications from the most highly qualified students in the country. That means that college admission counselors are not looking to see if your team was involved in great extracurricular activities. That's a given for anyone who's serious about attending a top 20 college or university. What they are looking for is something special that distinguishes your great extracurricular activities from the great extracurricular activities of everyone else. Does your team know what it takes for their extracurricular activities to be rated higher than their competition? Does your team have a good idea of how their college admission counselor will rate their extracurricular activities? Well, let's cut to the chase. If your team doesn't know the answer to these two questions, it's nearly impossible for them to make an informed decision about which extracurricular activities will help them earn an advantage in the college admission process. Here's some free insider information that I'm positive will help, and it's called the opportunity factor. The opportunity factor is simply the role that opportunity plays when evaluating the extracurricular activities of high school students. You may have never heard of the opportunity factor, but look at what two of the top colleges in the country have to say about how they choose students and how opportunity plays a role. This is a screenshot of the Duke University admissions website. This website is aptly named Whom We Look For. Here, Duke tells prospective students that they're looking for students that are ready to respond to opportunities intelligently, creatively, and enthusiastically. If Duke takes the time to tell you that they're looking for students to respond to opportunities and that there are 3 specific ways in which that can be done, then you can be confident that somewhere in the process of comparing the 29,000 applications that they get each year, that the Duke admission counselors are going to judge how well every student has taken advantage of their opportunities in high school. Not convinced yet? Okay, let's go to the West Coast and look at Stanford University. This is a screenshot of Stanford's admissions website in a section entitled Our Selection Process. Here they spell out not only what they're looking for, but also their selection process. There are 3 sections on this page, but let's focus on the intellectual vitality section. Look at the last sentence in this section. It says, "We want to see the initiative with which you seek out opportunities that expand your perspective and that allow you to participate in creating new knowledge." This statement clearly shows that Stanford prefers students that take the initiative to seek out opportunities. This should tell your teenager that students who do not take the initiative to seek out opportunities will not be rated as highly as students who do show such initiative. When looking at these 2 websites, Stanford and Duke clearly state that they're looking for students that approach opportunities in a special way. For Stanford, that means that they will look at the initiative with which your team seeks out opportunities. And for Duke, that means that they will look at your team's readiness to respond to opportunities. The bottom line is this: the top colleges and universities want the best students, and they have a lot of highly qualified students to choose from. If your team is going to gain admission to one of these schools, he or she will need to do something special to convince their admissions counselor to choose them over the competition. So ask yourself, does my teen understand how a college admission counselor will judge him or her based on how they've responded to opportunities or the initiative they've shown? And second, will my teen's extracurricular activities stand out from the competition in the eyes of their admissions counselor? If you're like most of the parents that I work with, you want to know more about how your teen can capitalize on the opportunity factor so that they can gain an advantage in the college admission process. And that's why I created a training report on this specific topic. The report is entitled Becoming Uniquely Qualified, Key Number 1, Opportunity over Involvement. When you purchase this report, you will learn the following 4 things. First, the opportunity factor will be explained in detail, and you will learn about the 3 basic types of opportunities your teen has to choose from in high school. Second, you will learn how college admission counselors view and value the 3 different types of opportunities. Third, you will learn about 2 strategies that your teen can apply to their opportunities to distinguish them from their competition. Fourth, you will learn 2 bonus strategies that will make your teen's extracurricular opportunities memorable in the eyes of a college admissions counselor. This report is ready for you for only $4.99. So just go to the video store on the Clover Report website and get this information now. I'm so sure that you'll find this information helpful that I provide a full money-back guarantee with every report. If for any reason you're not 100% satisfied with the information in this report, you can return it for a full refund. I encourage you to purchase this report and give your teen good information that will help him or her become a more competitive applicant at the top 20 colleges and universities. Good luck to you and your teen in college and life, and thank you for visiting the Clover Report, where we believe that everyone deserves a great chance at success.